Another advantage of baking soda is you can cure dandruff. For those of us who are plagued by dandruff, the suffering is excruciating. 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 You can attempt another trick if you have done everything else and it has not worked for you. Instead of shampooing your hair for a few weeks, massage a handful of baking soda into your scalp in the shower and thoroughly rinse it out. Then dandruff will be cleared. But baking soda you should use in the small content, but not heavily. Likewise, some one or two tablespoons only is enough in the water. Then you can use for scalp thoroughly. Then you rinse it. Then it will be dandruff will be cleared, because dandruff will be clogged with sweat and all this, with the sweat and some other thing, dust also. Sweat and dust will be the reason for dandruff. Once the sweat is coming, again the dandruff is coming from outside. Both will be clogged. Then it will become the dandruff. By that dandruff again it will be increased. So that in a mug of water, 1 tablespoon of baking soda if you put, and you can use for a shower, thoroughly rinse your hair, then it will clean and kill that blocks and clogs of the dandruff. Then it will clear your hair very clear your dandruff very clearly, and you will be safe, and your hair will be nice and something. But it will not harm to the hair, but dandruff will be cleared clearly. But you should not be more than 1 tablespoon for one big mug of water. If a half mug is there, small mug is there, you can use only half teaspoon. Then if you use it heavily, it is dangerous. Only half spoon is enough for half mug. For full mug, it is you can use 1 tablespoon of baking soda is enough to clear your hair, to clear your dandruff in head washing. Be careful and be healthy.